In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create graphs in Canva. If you've ever needed a chart for a presentation, a report, or a lesson, and felt like the result looked plain or hard to read, Canva makes the process much easier. You don't need advanced design skills or complex spreadsheet software to create something clean, professional, and ready to share. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up your workspace, add a graph, enter your data, customize the design, and export it properly. To begin, head to the Canva homepage and create a new design. In the top right area, click Create a Design, then type Presentation into the search bar. From the options, choose the standard presentation format in 16 by 9. This gives you a full HD workspace, which is a great choice because it gives your chart enough room for labels, titles, and legends without feeling cramped. Starting with the right canvas size makes everything easier later. Once your blank presentation page opens, move to the left-hand sidebar and click Elements. At the top of that panel, use the search box to look for the type of chart you want to create. You can search for something like bar chart, line graph, or pie chart, depending on the kind of data you want to show. Browse through the chart options, then drag the one you want directly onto the center of your canvas. This is the easiest way to add a ready-made graph framework without building one manually. After your chart is on the page, click on it to open the built-in data table. A spreadsheet-style panel should appear so you can enter your information. Type your category names into the first column and your numbers into the next column. If you already have your data prepared in another spreadsheet, you can clear the sample data and paste your own dataset in all at once. As you do this, the chart updates automatically in real time, which makes it very easy to see if everything looks correct. Next, customize the chart so it's clear and readable. With the graph selected, use the toolbar at the top to adjust the font size for titles, labels, and axis text. Make sure the text is large enough to read easily, especially if the graph will be presented on a screen. Then update the colors to improve contrast and match your overall design. Choosing clear, distinct colors helps your data stand out and makes the final graph look more polished. Before exporting, take a moment to review everything carefully. Check that the labels are accurate, the numbers are correct, and there's no leftover sample data. When you're ready, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select PDF print if you need a high-quality file for printing, or choose PNG for a sharp digital image. Finally, click Download to save your finished graph. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.